Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'll show you how you can add a floating cart or side cart on your WooCommerce website. Let me show you an example of the floating cart that you can add to your WooCommerce website. Here, I'm on the demo WooCommerce website and I'm going to add a product into the cart. Let's add this product into the cart. And in the bottom right hand corner, you will see a sticky floating cart. So it is going to be sticky there. And if I click on it, it is going to open the side cart. At the top, you will see the free shipping option. On this demo WooCommerce website, we are going to offer free shipping for more than $100. So the price of the product that we have added to the cart is $39 and it is still $60 away from free shipping. So this is a notification that you can add on your side cart. Then we have review your cart. It shows how many products are there into the cart. And this is the product that we have added. Below that, you will see upsells. So you can add upsells or cross sales products into the cart. And that is going to increase the average order value. So the customer will see some upsells or cross sales products into the cart. Below that, we have coupon code option. If the customer has coupon code, they can add the coupon code here and they can apply the coupon code. Then we have subtotal option and the grand total option. If they want to increase the product, they can increase the product from here. And you will see the increase in the value. From the upsells, they can add the product from the upsells also. So you will see the product is added and it shows you are $7 away from free shipping. Let's add one more product. And now the cart total is more than $100 and you will see the message here, shipping is free. And to add the floating cart option in the WooCommerce website, I'm going to use the plugin Modern Cart. This is not a free plugin, this is a premium plugin. And the price of this plugin is only $69 per year and you can use it on up to 10 different websites. If you want, you can also go for lifetime license, which will cost you $99 and you can use this plugin on 30 different websites. So if you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So let's see how to install and use the Modern Cart plugin in a WooCommerce website. So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website and this is a demo WooCommerce website. And I have already downloaded and installed the Modern Cart for WooCommerce plugin. You will see that here. When you install this plugin, in the left hand panel, you will see WooCommerce and under WooCommerce, you will see the option Modern Cart. You can click on it or you can click on settings here. So let's click on settings. And now you will be on the dashboard of this plugin. At the top, you will see my account. When you buy this plugin, you will get license key. In order to use this plugin, you will need to activate the license key. So you can enter the license key here and activate the license key. And after that, this plugin will be activated on your website. Below that, you have a general tab. And under general tab, you will see all the settings. At the top, you will see enable a modern cart. And if you click on drop down, you will see three different options. You can disable the modern cart on the website. You can show this cart on only the WooCommerce pages, or you can show this on the entire website. So I'm going to select entire website and the cart will be shown on the entire website. So in the bottom right hand corner here, you will see this cart option. This is nothing but the modern cart icon. Below that, we have choose style. There are two different styles, style 1 and style 2. So I'm going to select style 1. And then we have enable free shipping bar. At the top, you will see the option free shipping. When you open this cart, right now the cart is empty, so it's not going to show anything. However, if I add any product to the cart, let's add this one to the cart. And you will see one product is added to the cart. And at the top, you will see this option free shipping bar. And it shows you are $87 away from free shipping. And this is the price of the product that we have added into the cart. So your cart total should be more than $100 and you will get free shipping. In order to enable this option, you need to have free shipping enabled on your WooCommerce website. Let me show you how to enable. Go to WooCommerce, go to settings. So these are the WooCommerce settings. Go to shipping option. And you will see shipping zone. If you do not have any shipping zone, you can create a shipping zone. I have one shipping zone created here and the shipping method is free shipping. If I click on edit, you will see the option here, free shipping. And here we have set the amount $100. So in order to get free shipping, the minimum cart value should be more than $100. If you do not have any shipping zone, then it will not show here. All right, let's go back to settings. Below that we have increase average order value with product recommendation. Currently it is set to disable. Below that we have from upsell or from cross sell. So you are going to add upsell products or the cross sell products into the cart. So I'm going to select upsells. So now it is going to show the upsell products into the cart. So it is going to increase the average order value. If I go back and if I refresh it, you will see these are the upsell products. And this is the actual product into the cart. So you will see 6 products are added. Below that we have display coupon field. You can disable it, you can minimize it, or you can use the expanded coupon field. Currently it is set to minimize. If I go here, you will see the option here, got a discount code. You can enter the discount coupon code here and apply it, and that will apply the coupon code. Alright, so on your WooCommerce website, if you are using coupon code system, then you can enable this option. Below that we have show subtotal, show total, show discount, show tax, and show shipping. So all these options will be shown below. Currently we have subtotal and total. We have not added any discount, so it's not going to show any discount here. And we do not have any tax system on this demo WooCommerce website, so it is not going to show that either. Right, next option in the left hand panel is label. Click on it and you will see different labels are there. At the top you will see review your cart. This is what you will see it here. This is the main headline, so you can change that headline. Then we have product recommendation title, even better with these, and you will see that here. So if you want to customize it, you can add your own content there. Then we have coupon field title, got a discount code, you will see it here. You can change that also. Then we have checkout button text, proceed to checkout. This is the checkout button. Then we have free shipping bar text. At the top we have this free shipping bar. You are $75 away from free shipping. Then we have discount label, so it will be shown below this subtotal when you use the discount. Right now below that we have floating cart icon, and where you want to show this icon. Currently it is set to bottom right. You can set to bottom left, or you can disable it. So I'm going to keep it on bottom right. Hide cart icon. Enable this option to hide the floating cart icon when there are no items in the cart. So if there is no item in the cart, it is going to hide that icon. So let's do one thing. Let's delete these products from the cart. Now the cart is empty. I'm going to refresh it. Now there are no items in the cart, and you will not see that icon in the bottom right hand corner. So if I disable this option, and if I want to show this cart icon always, then you will see it here. So even if there is no item in the cart, it is going to show this icon. Below that we have styling, and this is the primary color. So these are the color settings for the modern cart. You can change the color. We can set up the width also, and you can also change the width for the mobile. Currently it is set to 80%. Animation speed, you can change the animation speed also. Now I can add the product, and it will be shown in the cart. $87 away from free shipping. Let's add some more products. Alright, now you can see that shipping is free. The total cart value is more than $100. And after that, I can proceed to checkout. So using the modern cart plugin, you can create a floating cart on your WooCommerce website. And the pricing for this plugin is only $69 per year, and you can use it on up to 10 different websites. If you want to go for lifetime, it will cost you only $99, and you can use it on 30 different websites. So if you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.